Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Want to learn more about modern kitchen design? Then be sure to watch my videos. In my videos, I share tips on how to design a stylish and functional modern kitchen. I also take you on tours of real-life modern kitchens, so you can see how the latest trends are being used in homes today. Whether you're planning a kitchen remodel or just want to get some inspiration, my videos are a great resource. Here are a few of the videos you can expect to see on my channel, Modern Kitchen Design Tips. This video shares tips on how to design a stylish and functional modern kitchen tour. This video takes you on a tour of a real-life modern kitchen trends. This video discusses the latest trends in modern kitchen design. With a little planning and effort, you can create a modern kitchen that is both stylish and functional. Modern kitchens are characterized by clean lines and simple silhouettes. This creates a sleek and uncluttered look, functional and efficient use of space. This is achieved through careful planning and the use of space-saving appliances and cabinetry. Use of high-quality materials. This ensures that the kitchen is both durable and stylish. Integration of technology. This includes features such as smart appliances, touchless faucets, and voice-activated controls. Some popular elements of modern kitchen design include stainless steel appliances. These appliances are sleek, modern, and easy to clean. Quartz countertops. Quartz is a durable and non-porous material that is available in a variety of colors and styles. White cabinets. White cabinets are a classic choice that can make a kitchen look larger and brighter. Pendant lights. Pendant lights can add a touch of style and personality to a kitchen. Tile backsplashes. Tile backsplashes are a durable and easy-to-clean option for kitchen walls. Modern kitchen design is all about creating a space that is both stylish and functional. By incorporating the elements above, you can create a kitchen that you will love for years to come. Here are some tips for designing a modern kitchen. Start with a plan. Before you start making any changes, take some time to plan your kitchen layout. This will help you make the most of your space and ensure that everything is in the right place. Choose the right appliances. When choosing appliances, look for features that will make your life easier, such as self-cleaning ovens and frost-free refrigerators. Select the perfect countertops. Countertops are one of the most important elements in a kitchen, so take your time choosing the right ones. Consider factors such as durability, style, and ease of maintenance. Don't forget the cabinets. Cabinets are another important element in a kitchen. They provide storage for dishes, cookware, and other kitchen essentials. Choose cabinets that are both stylish and functional. Add some personality with lighting. Lighting can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of a kitchen. Use a variety of lighting sources to create a warm and inviting space. Finish with a backsplash. A backsplash is a great way to add color and personality to your kitchen. Choose a backsplash that is both stylish and easy to clean. With a little planning and effort, you can create a modern kitchen that is both stylish and functional. There are many reasons to love the kitchen. Here are a few. The kitchen is the heart of the home. It's where families and friends come together to cook, eat, and socialize. Cooking is a creative outlet. It allows you to express yourself and experiment with new flavors and ingredients. Cooking can be a relaxing and therapeutic activity. It's a great way to de-stress after a long day. Cooking is a healthy way to eat. It allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes in your meals. Cooking can be a fun and rewarding experience. It's a great way to learn new skills and impress your friends and family. If you're not already a fan of cooking, I encourage you to give it a try. You may be surprised at how much you enjoy it. Here are a few tips for getting started. Start with simple recipes. There are many great cookbooks and websites that offer easy-to-follow recipes for beginners. Don't be afraid to experiment. Once you've mastered a few basic recipes, start experimenting with different flavors and ingredients. Have fun. Cooking should be enjoyable, so don't take it too seriously. With a little practice, you'll be cooking like a pro in no time. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.